As the world wakes up, critical work is already underway. Work that demands reliable, high-performance sewer cleaning equipment. As a global leader in high-pressure and vacuum technology, ROM knows what it takes to get the job done. Powerful equipment, engineered to keep going. Behind every machine is a process of continuous innovation, where new machines are shaped and brought to life. Built for durability and designed to perform. Fully assembled in-house, ensuring complete control at every step. Delivering world-class quality through state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. And thoroughly tested to handle every job. Perfected through everyday experience in the field. Machines that not only live up to their reputation, but push it further. Supported by our in-house after-sales and service teams. Experts who know every machine down to the smallest component. Because when everything relies on you, you rely on the best. We are ROM, manufacturer of the world's leading high-pressure and vacuum technology for sewer cleaning.